What Were You Wearing? Survivor art installation here at Ohio University has opened on August 30th in Trisolini Gallery. It's going to be up until September 13th.
The What Were You Wearing exhibit is a collaboration between the Survivor Advocacy Program, the Women's Center, the Campus Involvement Center, and the College of Fine Arts. And essentially we collected stories from survivors throughout campus and throughout our community who have survived sexual violence, sexual assault. And we ended up with 42 submissions of descriptions of what a person was wearing when they were assaulted.
The exhibit began at the University of Arkansas, and then it went viral at the University of Kansas last year. When we saw it on CNN, our students were also seeing it, and they were sending us emails asking us to do the exhibit here, and so we did. They are from students, faculty, staff, community members, people from Southeast Ohio.
Our goal with this event was for people to realize that being a survivor is not one cookie-cutter definition. It doesn't look a certain way, it doesn't act a certain way, and the goal was for people to come here tonight and throughout the exhibit and realize that there's no right or wrong way to be a survivor, but there is a right way to support survivors, and that is to believe them, to support them, to ask them how you can help, that it does not matter what a person was wearing, and that myth that it does matter is absurd, and to just simply listen to them and listen to their experience and support them in that way.
The work that we do in health promotion does oftentimes focus on bystander intervention, and when we work with students, we talk to them about intervening in those moments on campus and in town where they see a situation that could lead to imminent harm. But what we more often talk about with them increasingly these days is intervening in situations that contribute to a culture where harm is allowed to flourish.
I want us to create a culture here on our campus where everyone feels that their story matters and that they feel supported and heard here on our campus. And that starts by events like this.